highly qualified instructor pilots with extensive combat and humanitarian experience. At the controls today is Captain Rush Taylor, and joining him, Captain Angela Kimmler, Major Matt Klingenberg, and Major Chris Ross. Loadmaster today is Tech Sergeant Jesse Richardson. This highly experienced crew has a combined total of over 13,000 flying hours in various Air Force aircraft. This C-17 flight is dedicated to the memory and heroic service of the demo crew on board Sitka 4-3, July 28, 2010. Major Michael Freyholtz, Major Aaron Malone, Captain Jeffrey Hill, and Senior Master Sergeant Thomas Cicardo. And there is our salute to their devoted service to the C-17 community and their great sacrifice for our nation. You will always be remembered. The C-17 made its first flight